Hello everyone, my name is Dabbu Singh. Today I am telling about the Mathura city. Mathura city is the holy place and it is situated in the bank of Yamuna river, and it is the birthplace of Lord Krishna. And there is a temple in Mathura, and the temple name is Janambhoomi, and it is the birthplace of Lord Krishna. If you want to visit the Janambhoomi, then it is the very good place and you can visit there. And if you want to go inside the temple, then you have to put your leather belt and shoes out of the temple. And if you go into the temple, then you will find a lot of the statue of Lord Krishna, and there is a there is a cage also. And the second temple of Mathura is the Dwarkadish temple. It is situated at the bank river of Yamuna, and it is one of the oldest temple in Mathura, and it is very oldest, and it is very beautiful also. And after that, if you want to doing the boating, if you want to do the boating and feel the nature, then you will go for the Yamuna river, and you should you should go to the Yamuna river, and you can boating there. And after all that, you should have to go to the Vrindavan. You should go to the Vrindavan, and if you going to the Vrindavan, then you will find a lot of. If you go to the Vrindavan, then you will find a lot of temples are there. The Prem Mandir and the Pagal Baba. If I talk about the Prem Mandir is the sign of Lord Krishna love, and it is very beautiful temple, and it is the temple of lightning, and it is made of white marble. And if you want to see the beauty of Prem Mandir, then you should go in the night, and you will feel very good there, because it is, I already said that it is the temple of lightning, and there are a lot of statue, and you will find there is a small Govardhan Parvat, and there is a water show also. And after that, you should have to visit the Pagal Baba temple. And if you visit the Pagal Baba temple, you will find this is the multi-story building. And if you go upstairs, then you will definitely you will tired to go upstairs, because it is the, I think, 7 story building, and there is a different statue at different story. And after that, you will have to go for the ISKCON temple. It is also it is known as the Angrez Ka Mandir, and if you want to visit this temple, you will find a lot of foreigners doing singing devotional song, and there is a lot of crowd, and it is also one of the beautiful temples. And there is a statue of Lord Krishna and Radha. And if you I'm talking about the Banke Bihari temple. This is the oldest one, and it is the most popular in the Vrindavan, because it is the oldest one. And if you want to visit the Banke Bihari, then you have to first of all, you have to keep an eagle eye over the monkeys, because it is because they are snatch your, so many monkeys are there, and they are snatching your phone and spectacles. And after that, if you go inside of the temple, you will find a lot of foreigners, and the locals are there. And there is a curtain in front of Bihari ji, and it is just for, it is open for the 2 minutes, and after 2 minutes it will be closed, and it is going to continuously. And after all that, you should have to visit the Nidhivan, because Nidhivan is the second place of the Byariji, and there are two statue of Byariji, one in the Nidhivan, and the second one is Byariji. And the story of Nidhivan is, if you go in the evening into the temple, then there is a tree, and turn into the Radha in the night, and starting dancing and doing Ras Leela in the night. And the Lord Krishna came into the night, and doing Ras Leela with the gopis, and in the day it will turn into the trees. And the education system, I am talking about the education system of Mathura. Education system of Mathura should be improved, because there is a lot of coachings are there, but there is a few of coaching doing teaching well, and with a low amount of money. And if you go the highest coaching, they just take the money, and it's depend on you want to study or not. And it's all about the Mathura.